Hey everyone! Using the FileDrop add-on is the most efficient way to turn Google Sheets into a functional database where files live directly next to your data. In 2026, it bypasses the manual upload and link chore by automating the storage in your Google Drive. Step 1. Installation. We are starting with the Google Workspace Marketplace. We do this because FileDrop is an external add-on and needs permission to manage your Drive files. Go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and search for FileDrop. Install the add-on. During installation, you'll see a screen asking for permissions to see, edit, create, and delete your Google Drive files. FileDrop needs this because it acts as your automated assistant. It creates its own folder in your drive to store your uploads and generates the specific links needed for your spreadsheet. Step 2. Launching the sidebar. Now we are moving to the Extensions menu. We do this to actually open the FileDrop interface so you can start dragging and dropping files. Click on the Extensions menu at the top of your Google Sheet. Hover over FileDrop in the list and select Start FileDrop from the submenu. If you just installed the add-on and don't see Start in the menu, refresh your browser page. This forces Google Sheets to reload the new menu items. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll manage all your uploads and settings. Step 3. Drag, drop, and link. We are finishing with the upload phase. This is where the automation happens. It uploads the file to Drive and writes the link into your cell simultaneously. Select the specific cell where you want the file reference to appear. Drag a file from your computer and drop it directly into the sidebar upload area. Your cell now looks professional with a clean file name, and anyone with access to the sheet can simply click it to view the document. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.